right now, nothing no left. Nothing no left, man. Boy, I never experienced nothing like this yet. Yeah. Nothing from me born till now. No, sir. We never see this yet. Wickedest one me ever see pass through. I'm from Petersville. My wife live at Crawford. Come from Crawford, so we travel boat then. We did have one piece of concrete for my building, but all of the boat gone.
It's just an act of God. Just a disaster came in, and that's what it's done to all of us. We have to thank God that our life has been spared, that is the greatest, and we can pick up our pieces and start back all over again. I'm living at a little district named Fosdick Grove, just across from here.
And what's the impact over there like as well?
Oh my God, a devastation. I was out here in the morning, which is about from 6 o'clock till about 10 o'clock on the Monday. You understand me? So I've been getting some bulletin that the storm surge will be coming. So I leave at 1:30 and I went home. And I slept very good in the night. And when I wake up in the morning, about 6 o'clock, 6:30, then believe you me, the trauma has begun. You understand me? I couldn't move. I stand in the house and it came from this direction, in the east direction. You understand me? And slam onto the top of the roof and remove that. Then it go down the road, and after it make a little spin and come and stick up the other race, and I could have just stayed in one corner like this. I was just staying like this. There's no way I could move. There's no way I could move. One time I go down like this, I say it doesn't make sense because probably anything may come and make a bang. So I stay behind one of the posts inside the house. You understand? Everything flies from over my head. You see? And we have to just stand up same way. Me can't do nothing at all.
Me in the house, and I say, when it starts, and it come from that side there, and take that side there and make so, he left me house, he left my house. It's when he go back to reverse, Lord God, he said, well, where you go? He take off his side there and gone with it. Me and some people underneath one, if you say close pack up and I will hit you up, I do away for you. I tell you do away, and I do it up because we can't come out. Everything went up in there, everything went up. All the bed come out through that window there, the bed come out through the window. The bed is so like a river, they can't move. TV come out through the window. Everything up there, just me tell put them out there sour. When they have to cook out the food, I have a nice chop and give some of my people them. Me have half bag of rice and half bag of flour and the two bag wet up in the car. Three top I can't come off, you wet up. So look more, me have a piece of beef, me a cookie. And we eat the car, me go get 5 ice this morning. Me cook and who come get?